triangle is a two-dimensional shape with three sides and three angles. Consider the triangle below. The sides of this triangle are indicated by lowercase letters. This is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. ABC. The angles of the triangle can be represented by uppercase letters. This is angle A, angle B, angle C. The angles occur at the vertices of the lines, where the lines will be joined by a curve. A, B, C. If this is a triangle, then the distance between this and height is angle A. The distance between this height and this height is angle A. Distance between this height and this base is angle B. Also, the distance between this length and this base on this side is angle C. The sum of the angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. In other words, we can say that A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Types of triangles. Triangles come in different sizes. An equilateral triangle has equal size and equal angles. In an equilateral triangle, we can say that angle A is equal to angle B, and is also equal to angle C, which is equals to 60 degrees for equilateral triangle. Because an equilateral triangle has equal size and equal angles. So if the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, then each angle is in an equilateral triangle will be equal to 60 degrees. Now, an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two sides of equal length. The two sides of equal length are AB and AC. Now, if this is an isosceles triangle, then we can say that this is side A, I beg your pardon, this is side B, and this is side C. B and C are equal. But A, side A is not equal to B or C. A scalene triangle is a triangle with all three sides having different lengths. If this is a scalene triangle, then we can say that A is not equal to B, and B is not equal to C. Okay, triangles do not only vary in length, they also vary in the size of their angles. They vary in the size of their angles, just like in this case. While an equilateral triangle has three equal angles, an obtuse triangle has two acute angles and one obtuse angle. A right-angled triangle is one in which one of the angles is 90 degrees. An acute triangle has three angles that each measure less than 90 degrees. Okay. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that helps us find the size of angles and length of the triangles. A triangle of interest is the right angle triangle. If the angle of this triangle is labeled theta as shown, then the three sides of the triangle will derive their names in relation to theta. Opposite, for example, is the side facing the angle theta. This side in the opposite direction. This is theta and this is opposite. Adjacent, the side next to angle theta. This is it. Adjacent. Hypotenuse is the longest side. The main functions in trigonometry are sine, cosine, and tangent. They are often abbreviated as sine, cos, and tan. Trigonometric functions show the relationship between the different sides and angles of a right-angled triangle. These relationships are explained as follows. Sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Also, when you divide the opposite by the adjacent, you get tan theta.